Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly into Wix. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get one of your scheduling events on Calendly and you want it to appear on your Wix website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Calendly. Next to the event type, click on these three dots. Then click on Add to Website, then click on Inline Embed, then click on Continue. And so on the right-hand side here, you're going to find your embed code. This is what you can actually copy onto your Wix website so that the Calendly widget will actually appear. So click on Copy Code, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your embed code for Calendly on Wix. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.